And we start with visuals from Mumbai, where 7 patients allegedly died due to shortage of oxygen supply. The family of those who died created a ruckus inside the hospital premises. In fact, the incident took place in Vinayaka Hospital in Nalasopara. That is the latest we're picking up from this hospital in Mumbai. And you can see there all those patients who lost their lives due to lack of oxygen supply, their family members creating a lot of ruckus because indeed they've lost their near and dear ones due to lack of oxygen supply in this Mumbai hospital. That is a concern at this point in time in several hospitals in Mumbai that continues to battle the surge in COVID-19 cases in this particular wave as well. And you have a meeting that is all set to take place on the same issue of top Maharashtra officials. But for the moment, keeping up with these visuals we're picking up from Mumbai, 7 patients allegedly died due to shortage of oxygen supply. Priyanka, my colleague, is joining us with more details. Priyanka, you know, one can't certainly hold this against the family members of those who've lost their lives, all because of oxygen supply in this particular hospital. What exactly are the reactions you're picking up on this story?
Well, yes, in Maharashtra in the last 24 hours, we have seen over 9,000 new cases and 50 plus deaths in the entire state. And on an average, we are seeing that since on a period of 24 hours. And now we are also getting news of these kind of incidents where a family member of a person dies because of lack of oxygen supply, lack of ventilators, lack of hospital beds, because there is a shortage. That is something that nobody can deny. Even the government machinery has accepted that there is a burden on the healthcare system of Maharashtra. At least there is an absolute shortage of bed. There is a level of shortage of oxygen and the ventilator supply as well, which is why we are also getting to understand that the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is also going to chair a meeting to talk about this lack of oxygen supply. And they had in fact alerted the officials a few days back about this probable oxygen supply that will burden more the healthcare system and that will affect the COVID patients that are lining up in several hospitals across the state as well. So all of those things will also be taken into consideration when the Chief Minister chairs this meeting along with the COVID task force and with several professionals of the healthcare industry as well, to understand as to what course of action can be taken now. And also let us not forget that Maharashtra is one of the states that is also mulling over the lockdown that will be implemented in the state, and of course we can expect some kind of announcement from the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray about the same today as well, because we were told from our sources that there is going to be some kind of lockdown that will be implemented, but how and when this will be implemented is something that the Chief Minister is going to announce today, is what we've been given to understand. But shocking incidents, something that we cannot ignore really, that there is a level of burden on the healthcare system, there is a level of shortage of resources, there has to be better mobility of these resources as well, because these scenes that we are seeing from Nalasopara of Vinayak Hospital, where 7 patients and family members have lost their dear and near ones, and that's why they have created this kind of ruckus. And very rightly, like you said, we can't really hold it against them, but there is a level of systematic failure in coping with this COVID situation, at least in the state of Maharashtra, where there is an acute shortage of beds and also the shortage of oxygen that now we're being given to understand that the Chief Minister had alerted the officials about. And as to what course of action has been taken about that, there has been no word on that.
Absolutely. Priyanka, you know, while we do know that there is, of course, a difficult time for all of those who've lost their near and dear ones due to the COVID-19 situation, not just in Maharashtra, but in the country. But our frontline workers are at it. They're working round the clock. The healthcare system is overburdened. Priyanka has been breaking down those details. So what needs to be done now is the focus needs to shift on how this can be managed in a better way. For that, today, once again, the Chief Minister is holding an emergency meeting to really understand what the future course of action can be and how this problem of less oxygen supply all throughout Maharashtra can be dealt with, because 7 patients allegedly have died due to shortage of oxygen supply, and that's just one such incident that is being reported from Vinayaka Hospital in Mumbai.